Good day, pupils. I'm Gabriela Yesu by name from online Academy Online. And today under mathematics we'll be treating the topic square and square root. Most of you are familiar with it, and some of you are still having possibilities. Then today we're going to just do a breakdown, a summary of what square root and square of a number is. Now a square number is a square number is a result of multiplying a number by itself. For example, 25. What will give us 25? 5 times 5 will give us 25. For example, 4. What's this all? 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. So hence 25 is what? Squared number of 5. And the square root is also the number which when multiplied by itself gives the required number. For instance, 8 times 8 will give us 64. Then, therefore, the square root of 64 is what? Is also 8. And we should note that 5 times 5 can be written in index form, that is, it can be written as 5 raised power 2. Okay, like for instance, 5 times 5 can be written in index form or power form. Some of you know it as power form, some you know it as index form. That is 5 raised power 2. Those 5 raised power 2 is going to be equal to what? That is 5 in 2 places. 5 times 5 equals 25. That's square. Square is always raised power 2. If that is cube, it's going to be raised power 3. Now, also, 64 could have been written under the square root sign. It can be written as square root 64, or it can be break down by writing it as 8 square root of 8 multiplied by 8, and which is going to equal to 8. Now, let's take the examples. Question number 1 says find the squares of A, 9 squared, and B, 3 over 3 squared. And question number 2 says find the square root of 196. Square root of 196. Let's take the first question, 1A. 1A, we have what? 9 squared. And 9 squared, that is, I said it already, that is going to be in what? 2 places. So that is going to be what? 9 multiplied by what? 9. And 9 multiplied by 9 is what? 81. So it's as simple as that. If you have problem with it, as far as you know your multiplication table, you won't have problems solving square or square root. Now, B aspect of it, we have what? 3 whole number 1 over 3 square, right? And in this place, let's see. That is 3, we're going to say 3 square, then square, correct. Okay, no, let's change it, so that's not 10 over 3, then your power form, which is this power 2. Now let's see, we have, that is 10 over 3 in how many places? In 2 places, times 10 over 3, right? Now 10 times 10 is equal to what? 100. That is 100 over 9. How many 9 can we find in 100? We can find 11 9. 11 whole number. 11 number 1 over 9. 9 times 11 is 99 plus 1, that's 100. Split the numbers with. So that's the answer for 1B. Now, question number 2 says, find the square root of 196. Square root of 196. Now, to get 196, let's look at it. What are the numbers that we can multiply? Let's start from 2. 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 times 7 will give us 196. Now, let's break it down. Square root 2 times 2 times square root 7 times 7. Square root 2 times 2 is what? 4. Now, square root of 2 of 4 is what? 2. Pick 1, the common one. Now, square root of 7 times 7 is what? 9. The common number there is what? 7. So, there 2 times 7 is going to be equal to what? 14. Or is that you are familiar with the multiplication table, you can just go ahead with the easier way, or square root 196 is going to equal to what? Square root 14 and it's 14. What's the common number there? 14. So that's that for squares and square roots.